This home is centrally located. You are within 15 minutes of all that Augusta and Evans has to offer, and less than 8 minutes from the interstate. It is situated in the Columbia County School District and features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet, and a 2-car garage. It also has the most charming rocking chair front porch that is perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or afternoon glass of wine while watching the kids play in the front yard. 229 Amelia Drive is ready for its new owners to love it and make it their new home.